Hi! I'm having my immune boosting push today, no? So, this actually contains vitamins, and the main ingredient for this actually is vitamin C, no? Madalas iniisip natin na ang vitamin C is just being used for common cold, to shorten common colds, no? But more than that, it's actually an electron donor. So, minsan, halimbawa, when you say electron donor, it actually gives away an electron, no? That's why it's called an antioxidant, no? Kasi yung antioxidant, what it does is actually it gives out a donor to neutralize yung free radicals na tinatawag. Yung free radicals na yan, actually, pag pumunta yan sa ating katawan, it actually destroys the cells. Kumbaga, nirarust niya yung mga cells o parang kinakalawang niya yung mga cells na yon. So, ang mga free radicals na yan actually, they lack an electron. So, para ma-neutralize yan, ang gagawin ng vitamin C is to donate ang electron para ma-neutralize yung kulang na electron ng mga free radicals. So, kumbaga, maiiwasan niya na kumapit yung mga free radicals doon sa mga cells. So, may iwasan yung cell damage, no? It's very, very important talaga. And it's a very, very potent antioxidant and vitamin C. So, maiiwasan ng maraming diseases, well, including the skin disease, and a lot of actually mga chronic diseases or kagaya ng cancer. Kasi halos lahat sa ating body, halos lahat ng biochemical process sa ating body is needing vitamin C. So, ganon, no? In fact, napakalaki ng need ng body natin ng vitamin C, no? Kasi it also helps in the integrity of the cells, like in the production of collagen. So, kailangan yan. Ano ba yung collagen? It actually helps yung integrity ng joints, ng ligaments, ng skin, no? Kailangan yan. And also ng teeth. Kailangan din yan sa teeth, sa ating hair, no? Yung lahat yan. So, kailangan. Ang laki ng function ng vitamin C. Aside from that, nakakatulong din siya yun dun sa tinatawag na in neurotransmitter production of norepinephrine. Ang norepinephrine actually is the fight and go, no? Fight and do na tinatawag na hormone, no? Kasi pag halimbawa stressed out ka, kailangan mo ng energy, kailangan mo mag-focus. So you need to release yung ating sympathetic system na tinatawag, needs to release this norepinephrine. And kung kulang ka ng vitamin C, hindi ka makakaroon ng ganong klaseng reaction, no? Yung being focused, being alert, being able to really do what you need to do, no? Kumbaga yung fight or flight na tinatawag, no? Na reaction, no? Wala ka nun. So, it also helps doon sa ating energy production, no? So, kung kulang ka ng vitamin C, you're lacking, you're always lethargic, no? Lagi kang pagod. Pagising pa lang, pagod ka na. So, napaka-important talaga na we need vitamin C. Kumbaga, aside from the B vitamins, na yun lang ang iniisip kasi natin for energy, B vitamins. But actually, vitamin C is one of the vital vitamins that are needed for energy production, no? So, kailangan yan, no? For energy, for vitality, for activity, no? Kailangan natin yan. So, ang dami actually yung function ng vitamin C. And, well, of course, aside from the fact na nakakatulong din siya talaga na sa kagandahan ng ating skin, no? At the same time, it's also helps in the immune system. So, ngayon, lalo na stressed out ng mga tao, we need an extra energy talaga. And we need protection, of course, from this virus, no? For those who want, no, to supplement, it's okay to supplement with an oral vitamin C. But sometimes we don't have enough capacity to absorb vitamin C in our digestive system. Lalo na kung meron kang leaky gut, or kung halimbawa medyo may edad ka na, nababawasan yung digestive capacity ng iyong intestines. So, sometimes it's really necessary at mabilis na makakuha ka agad ng result, no? You get faster results when you do a push or an IV drip, kasi nga 100% it's being absorbed. So you see the effect faster, no? And mas mabilis kang nakakabawi. Kasi kapag tuloy-tuloy na ang stress mo, nadideplete yung vitamin C. And then, kung hindi rin sufficient ang foods mo, sufficient ang food intake mo, and then you're lacking in the digestive capacity, no? Hindi mo mababawi yung lacking in vitamin C, kung kaya parang hindi ka na makabuelo. So, having a push and having a drip is what you really need para mabalik mo kaagad yung na walang vitamin C sa iyong katawan. Okay? So, until next time, we'll discuss some other vitamins. And of course, that will really help, herbs and botanicals. Until next time, bye-bye!